but the idea of shorting innovation in America is ridiculous, I think.
Hey everybody, and welcome to the PlantStock channel. If we haven't met yet, my name is Jesse. Today, I thought we would first focus on Beyond Meat and that it just got downgraded by Goldman Sachs and what that actually means. And after that, I thought we could focus a little on Cathie Wood, the queen of investing, and her thoughts about actually shorting innovative stocks. But as always, before we do that, I would appreciate an early thumbs up to help spread the channel to more people out there. And if you want to keep being updated on PlantStock companies like Beyond Meat, Oatly, Tattoo Chef, very good food company to name a few, 5 days a week, then make sure to subscribe and don't forget that bell button. And also, feel free to join our free Discord channel where we talk about these companies at a regular basis, every day basically, and also where you get 5 morning briefings every week regarding the overall market. Thank you guys, I truly appreciate your help. Now, if we just take a quick look at our stocks that we normally talk about on the channel right now, we can see that most of them are actually trading down, and yesterday they did take a really large tumble, and that has to do what is going on with the market overall. And one of the biggest things right now is the so-called imminent threat from Russia. Russia claims that they're removing troops and also that Ukrainian forces are making aggressive moves. Western media are claiming that Russians are about to attack and adding more troops. Who are we to believe? No wonder that our stocks are dropping like it's hot. And then the overall scare regarding the inflation isn't helped either, but Charlie Munger added that inflation could be worse than a nuclear war. Well, I can't say that I agree with that, but interestingly enough, he sees a historical correlation with the Roman Empire, that they went under because of inflation. But obviously, one of the reasons also why Beyond Meat actually tumbled down as much as it did yesterday and keeps doing that right now is that their stock was actually downgraded just 2 days ago by Goldman Sachs here, taking it down from their previous $74 to $47 per share. And the reasons for that is, as they put here, quote, put simply, without a concrete plan to materially reduce costs, we struggle to see a pathway for Beyond Meat to sustain the price reductions necessary to expand its consumer appeal and achieve its own profitability targets. And fair enough, we actually don't have any details on when this could actually happen, but hopefully we'll get some more information on that on the Q4 and 2021 report that they are actually having next Thursday. And guys, me and Major Thacker, we're going to talk about this today in a few hours, have a live stream. So if you guys want to be part of that, make sure to put on your alarm clock at 1 a.m. Eastern time. But given that they already have several facilities and several new partnerships, both with McDonald's, PepsiCo, and Yum brands, it is actually hard to believe that they won't soon reach economy of scale. And in that way, being able to lowering their production costs and reaching price parity with their products. Guys, let me know down in the comments if that is something you also believe is going to happen soon. And this takes us to the last part, and that is regarding Cathie Wood and that she's getting attacked regarding her stance about innovation stocks, right? And Beyond Meat and Oatly is definitely some of those.
Is rife right now. Your stock picking prowess, as I said, your research, which you are defending multiple times here. I'm wondering what you make of the criticism, whether you think it's gotten too personal, the fact that there is literally now an ETF betting against you. What do you make of that?
Well, I find that very interesting, especially the last. When you think about it, it's simply a call. Well, they're shorting innovation, and that seems to me over time that's not going to be a business. If you ask me, consider the source. But they're also not doing any research. They're simply shorting innovation. If they were doing research and could point us to reasons why what we have included in our portfolio is not going to participate in the new world order, then we might have a conversation about it. But the idea of shorting innovation in America is ridiculous, I think.
And I totally agree with this. And if we actually relate it to Beyond Meat and Oatly, which are innovative companies that are actually part of changing the world, changing the way we eat, the way we drink, something that will not only benefit sustainability, but our health as well, then why would you short that? You're betting not only against innovation, but the planet as well. As many of you know, this is a paradigm that we're now entering, and it's really hard to believe that this is going to be a profitable endeavor. And when it comes to making money, Cathie Wood points to another great fact.
But here's what I do know. When I see, and this is investor psychology, when I see people so sure that we are wrong, and that they are willing to set up companies simply to short innovation, and to set up funds to short innovation, you know that investor psychology, the pendulum, has swung so far in one direction that if we're right, then the rewards are going to be enormous.
So in other words, for investors like us who are actually betting on Beyond Meat and Oatly, if we are only patient, the stacks are in our favor. So let these people, these short traders, be wrong, and let us long-term investors enjoy the fruit of success. All right, guys, that was it for today. I truly hope you got a lot of value from today's video. And if you did, like always, make sure to smash that like button. And if you want to keep getting information like this regarding plant-based companies like Beyond Meat, Tattoo Chef, Oatly, and a very good food company, make sure to subscribe and don't forget that bell button. And again, folks, if you want to be part of the free Discord channel, take a look in the description. And don't forget, today at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, me and Mayor Thacker are going to discuss Beyond Meat's upcoming Q4 reports. That's going to happen next Thursday, right? So be part of that, guys. All right, guys, as always, this wasn't financial advice, so just remember to always do your own due diligence. Hope to see you soon, and peace out.